Here at Zoo Lights, you can tell there's a spider web and a spider right there. Oh my gosh, it's so scary. Oh, look, all the bugs. They put all the creepy crawlers at the beginning.
Butterfly though.
Oh, there we go. Oh, there's an educated looking worm.
Let's go.
Sails. Let's see, I smell the stingrays. Have you ever pet a stingray at night?
Nope.
Yeah.
But you swam.
I've swam with the manta rays, yeah, which are similar. All right, you want to do it?
No.
Okay. There you go. Look, that's a big one. I wonder if they like being pet. Oh, there we go. So just do like the head.
Hey, it said no flash.
Yeah, I know. Oh, there you go. Antos, you got it. There you go. You got it.
Sometimes they having short hands.
There we go.
Sometimes they have.
They're big. Yeah, they're really big. Try the shallow end. Oh my gosh, it's a shark, buddy.
Yeah.
They just do that to throw you off. Like, hit the shark. Oh no! I thought it was a stingray.
Oh, look at the big one.
Are you scared?
No.
Oh wait, there you go. Did you get it?
I touched it.
Good job.
What did you think?
I touched the wings.
Go. Touch the back.
I did. Now I touched the back, but the wing as he was flopping touched.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Very cool.
They're flying.
Yeah, they
Underwater.
are. Yeah, it kind of looks like that. Here we go. He's like, hello, little boy.
There are a few manta rays too. Look.
Yeah. Oh, that guy's fast. Look at that guy. Oh, there you go. There you go. There you go. Got it. You got it. You got it.
He's slimy. That one.
Hey, did you touch it?
He's slimy.
Legal. That's really cool. Yeah, you can see it.
Hey, bald eagle, try to attack me.
Yeah, it looks huge. That's really cool.
There is like one type of eagle that's as big as or a bit bigger than baby Adam.
Oh, really?
He turned around for you.
And it's in this zoo.
It's in the zoo.
It's a different type of eagle.
Oh, well, check it out. This is cool. Yeah, and check out all the lights. Once again, I think there was an eagle light. Oh no, just longhorn sheep over there. This is great though. Look at all the lights. Oh, it's a rattlesnake. Look at that. Whoever gets their head in the mouth gets a piece of candy when we get home.
Okay.
Where you really
Get fruit snacks.
There's a web.
Ah, he did it. It was so good.
Okay.
You did it. Tor, use your eyes. Oh, look at the crocodiles. Yeah, there's a raptor.
There is something called
That's cool.
raptor back there.
Like a smaller one.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this.
It's probably like this big.
Oh, that is tiny, like a baby one. That's cool. I like the dinosaur. Yeah, that's really awesome. Look at that.
Or it could be bigger than that.
There we go. Wait. Jump, 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 jump.
And look back.
Jump. There we go. That's really cool. Yeah. There we go. We got Grandpa going in for the beetle. Oh no! Ah! Hey, it's kind of like Honey, I Shrunk the Kids.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, he's going in. Watch out! Oh, there we go. There's the flamingo. Let's see it. Let's see. Okay, do your flamingo. There we go. 1 foot. Very cute. And you're pink. Very cute. Okay, let's see the real flamingo. There we go. You know, I think this flamingo is cuter. Yeah. I think you're a cuter flamingo.
I think so.
Yeah, super cute. Yeah. Oh, the light flamingo is actually. Wait a minute. I don't know. Light girl. Light girl. Yeah. You're still the cutest. Oh, we got some reindeer. Oh yeah. That's cool. Oh yeah, there's some over here. Hold up. Let's see. There we go. That's cool. Wow. That's really cool. this reindeer? Oh, there we go. Hey! Oh, it's coming right up here. Wow. That's so cool. Yeah, there we go. That's so cool. It's eating. Look at its horns.
Hi.
Hi! Hey, you could tell him what you want for Christmas. Maybe he could tell Santa? Yeah.
I want for Christmas is a bunny.
A puppy. Okay. Puppy.
Bunny.
Oh, bunny. Pet bunny?
Bunny.
Okay. That'd be cute. Oh, yeah. Hello, so we're making some special chicken. What am I talking about? Cookie Christmas ornaments. Why am I talking about chicken? So Ava is rolling it out.
Tastes like chicken.
Yeah, not so much. We can't even eat this. So it is literally half applesauce, half cinnamon. So why do we have this? I don't know, but we use cinnamon, we use applesauce. I did like 2 cups of each.
Look.
And you got it right there. So Ava rolled it out for us.
That's how you make the batter?
Yep, that's it. It's just cinnamon and applesauce. So that's why you can't really eat it, because the cinnamon is so strong. It's like blah. And then I use a straw to like do a little hole, and you can decorate them too. And you bake them for at 200 degrees for 2 hours. Oh yeah, wait, you didn't eat it, did you guys? Yeah, it's not. It's no good. Okay, sweet.
It's not healthy.
Yeah. So here it is, all complete. We have a lot of trees and gingerbread men, and then some snowflakes and some Santas. So I'll bake it for 2 hours, we'll see. They're out of the oven. I had them cooking for like 2.5 hours, which is such a long time. But they're like nice and dry, almost like sandy now. So I just bought this ribbon, and I'm gonna like tie them off, and then we'll put them on the tree. And I think they'll be really cute. Here they are on the tree. They look really good and they smell super good. Yeah, there's like a little Christmas tree there, a little Christmas tree there. And yeah, I think it's nice because it just smells really good. Aw, check it out, baby's first Christmas. That's so cute. Alrighty, so right behind me is Illumination. We're gonna drive through, like they pay per car, and it's really awesome. You can listen to Christmas music and see all the lights, and it's pretty big too.